everybody, my name is Gino and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious crockpot recipe for both beef and mushrooms. It's delicious and it's healthy too. It's going viral on YouTube and also on TikTok. So let's get into it, and the recipe is included.
So this is what you're going to need to get started. 1.5 pounds of stew meat, 1 small sliced yellow onion, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 8 cloves of garlic that's sliced, 1 package of brown gravy, 1 package of onion soup mix, 3/4 cup of water, some Montreal seasoning, and some sliced mushrooms.
You want to heat up your skillet before you put your stew meat on so you get that nice sizzle. Stew meat's a great thing to use because it's cheap and it's easy to use. Now, we're not cooking the meat all the way through because it would be really tough here. We're just trying to add a little bit of color so that when we go to add it to the crock pot, it's going to cook nice and tender, low and slow. So we're going to add it to our crock pot, put all of that meat in there, and then we're going to add some butter in that skillet, and then our mushrooms. Let that cook down a little bit. We're going to add our garlic and also our sliced yellow onion. We're going to let that cook for a few minutes. We're going to add some Montreal seasoning, as you can see here. Let that cook down a little bit until the onions get transparent. We're going to add that to our meat, which is in our crock pot.
Looking really good. The next thing we're going to do is add our brown gravy mix to a bowl with 3/4 cup of water, and we're going to mix that really well. Go ahead and put it in the bowl, mix it up. Now to that, I'm going to add our onion soup mix. The onion soup mix that I'm going to be using here is just 5. Plain ingredients, a little bit healthier for you. So we're going to mix that up and add it to our skillet on medium heat. To that, we're going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Make sure it's blended really well. And it should look like this, nice and creamy. We're going to add that to our crock pot mixture of our mushrooms, garlic, onion, and our beef. Make sure you get all of that gravy in there. Stir it up really well. As you can see here, it's starting to blend. We're going to mix it up really well until it's incorporated. We're going to set our crock pot on low to cook for 6 hours and put a lid on it and let it go. Well, this is the final outcome here. Look how delicious and hearty this is. Now, make sure that you click on the bell notification for this video so you don't miss any of my upcoming delicious and healthy meals.
Hey, so this is the final product for this easy and delicious healthy recipe that you make in the crock pot. This is beef and mushrooms. It's going viral all over the internet and it is so delicious. I put it on top of some cauliflower rice and it looks amazing. Let's try it. So good. Make sure you like, follow, and share this video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll show you some more videos that you can watch as well.